All right, it's April 3rd, and this is homework number 3 for Internet, Web, and Tech, chapter 7 through 9, I believe. All right, so let's get this started. So, first question, this is the output right here for the table. This is the script. The script takes in the values and it has the addition Oh, wait, no, I'm on the wrong one. This is the script. Okay, so this is question one script. This is the actual output for question one. I use the CSS element for text align to make sure that the text are aligned. And this is the script right here, the variables I declared, and the operations I had to do to get these corresponding variables. As you can see, x is only goes up till 6 because it gets incremented, post incremented. And yeah, so this is the output right here for question one. Let's move on to question two. All right, this is the palindrome question. Just the program says check if it's a palindrome. I put 11111, 5 digits. It's a palindrome. Let's refresh that. Try a 6 digit, and it comes back with you did not enter 5 digit all paragraphs and characters 5 digits. Yep. So that's how it works. This is the function for the palindrome right here. The initial prompt comes in. It creates a new array with the palette called palin, and then it basically first checks that if the length is 5. If it's not 5, it'll come out with this alert box. If not, then it'll go into, if it is 5, then it'll go into a for loop and it will start putting the individual numbers into an array called palin. And then we'll go through the individual array into this if branch and these palins and check if these numbers are equal. If these numbers at position 0 and 4 are equal and the position 1 and 3 are equal, that means that it is a palindrome, and else it is not. All right, let's go to number 3. Incremented digits. So if I put this number, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the incremented digit, the encrypted digits. This is the script. In the script here, you take in the number. Once you get the number, you're parsing each individual number in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. You're parsing them into putting them into digits. Now in digits, you're going to go through the actual positions in digits and do the changes. So here, digit at I, which is 0, which at that case is 1, it'll be 1 plus 7, which is 7, modulo 10, which gives us 0. And then we'll go to the next one. It'll be 2. So it'll be 2 plus 7, which is 9, modulo 10, which is 1. So and just like that. Yep. And this is the encrypted digit. All right, let's get to number 3, the decrypted digit. So in this one, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 again. But it should give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 8, 9. This one should give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, same thing as the last script, only is over here is where I'm doing the reverse to make sure I get the decryption in. It's very much the same script, same way I'm doing it. All right, let's get to number 5. This is the stars. So this is the script right here. When I get the number from 1 to 30, I parse it into n. And then from j equals 1 towards j is less than equal to n, we just write in a star and then add a line break once we're done so we could get to the new one. It takes 5 inputs. So you see right here, I is equal to 1 if it's less than equal to 5, so it'll take 5 inputs. This for loop will go through, it'll take it 5 inputs. With one for loop going through, we'll go to the nested for loop and it'll document and write the star, make a line break, then go through the next iteration of the for loop, I equals 2. And then ask for a number, same thing. It'll do this up to I equals 5. All right, let's get to number 6. In this one, so basically we had to make the order summary. So in this script right here, first we got the order summary function, we got the product cost, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the individual costs for it. Then we got the product selected, which is an array, and the product quantity, which is an array. We also have count, which is doing the get orders function, which is right down here. Get orders takes in product selected and quantity, and this is the function right here to get the order. Right over here for after we get the orders, then we're basically calculating the cost, which is done through these functions, these calculations right here. And then we just type in the content. This is a sentinel controlled loop, I believe. So you have to enter in, I forgot what it was. It's a sentinel controlled loop. You would have to enter in, I think, -1 to get rid of it to be done. go to here. These are the factorials, the script to get the factorials, and the output right over here. All right, let's get to the next one. This is the answer. So how much is 4 times 10? 40. Check the answer. It's good. If I wanted to change it, 15. This is going to be 15, so let's just say 16, see what we get. No, please try getting perfect. So this is where we get the questions right over here with the buttons. When we get here, we get to the questions. This is the math random. We'll get something within the numbers of 10 plus 1. And the get new question right here is the same function. Once you finish, we'll get a new question. And then we get the check answer function right here, which it just does the calculation like this, and then it'll check our answer. And if it is the answer, then we'll get this as very good, and we'll get to the next question. If not, we try again right here. No, please try again. All right, next question. Number 9, write a program to learn multiplication. So pretty much still the same thing, only a little bit more complex. So now we have the vars correct and the incorrect right over here, which are string arrays almost. Here we got the function integration integer part of quotient. And this is the function for that. And then we have the function for check result right here. And these are the different cases. So I used switch case. So these are the switch is the index, and then these are the cases. So depending on the case is what I get. Over here is the case that it's same thing. The case is being assigned to, and the function do calculation is the function to actually do the calculation. All right, let's get to number 10. Still sort of little bits of the same thing. We're declaring number 1, number 2, correct, wrong, and counter. We're counting how many are good. So now we're going to check the answer. There's the check function. We first put the product, parse it, the product we get, and then we see if the product is equal to number 1 times number 2, which is right here, which is what gets declared. If it is, then we say it's correct, and we add, we increment correct. This is the switch statement right here to get the new products and results. This is still the same switch cases, switch and breaks. And then over here, same exact thing, we're just checking our percentage. And that's pretty much it. These are calculations here for our calculation function. And that's pretty much it to this question. Alright, question 11. Same way. We have our addition function right here. It takes in the prompt and it'll ask you, okay, what's this plus this, and it'll check your answer. Here's the subtraction function. It'll see what's this minus this. This is multiplication. It'll say what's this minus this. Here, let me actually refresh this so it'll say, there we go, perfect. And the division function. And it's just randomly checking which ones to pick, and that's pretty much it. And there's a function to see if it's correct, the function to see if it's wrong, and these are the questions. And that's pretty much it. That's all the questions. And yeah, we're good.